Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi.
wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrofil anbiya wal mursalin wa ala alihi washabihi ajmain amma ba'du. Okay, we are from group 10. There are Ahmad Sahal and Siti Safarina Manaf. We want to presentation and the chapter is describing people. Describing people means describing people. To describe people, vocabulary is needed to make it easier to make sentence. Describing people can be from the nature and physical appearance. Describing people is the part of descriptive text. Next. How to describe people? 1. Characteristic. Characteristic that describe what a person is like. Example, lazy. He is lazy boy. 2. Physical appearance. Appearance is defined as the way someone or something looks. Example, beautiful. My younger sister is very beautiful. Next. Example descriptive to describing people. Example 1. Barack Obama is the president of the United States. He is an African American. He is tall and thin. He is dark complexion, pointed nose, and oval face. He is the first black man who becomes the president of United States. He is now has a smart and wise mind. He is loving husband for his wife and a good father for his two children. People from all over the world adore him because of his spirit and action in creating peace in this world. He also looks friendly because he always smiles a lot. Question 1. What is the purpose of the text? A. To persuade the readers to choose him in the election. B. To entertain the reader about the story of Barack Obama. C. To report the life of the President of United States of America. D. To describe Barack Obama's physical appearance and personality. 2. Dark complexion, pointed nose and oval face. The antonym of the word pointed is A. Flat, B. Short, C. Straight, D. Handsome. Next. Example 2. Victoria Caroline became is in an English singer, songwriter, dancer, model, actress, fashion designer, and businesswoman. She was born on April 17, 1974 in Essex, England. She became famous in the 1990s with the pop group The Space Girl and was now a post space. In 1999, she married the Manchester United and England footballers. David became they have four children, their son and a daughter. After the Spice Girls split up, she pursued a solo singer career, but also started her own fashion range called DVB style. Since this initial foray into fashion, Victoria became first brought out her own range of sunglasses and fragrance until it ultimately became an range of handbags and jewelry. In addition, she had written two best-selling books, one her autobiography and the other a fashion guide. Question 1. What did Victoria do before being a solo singer? A. Married to David Beckham. B. Worked as fashion designer. C. Joined to Space Girl. D. Created fashion style. 2. We found in the text that A. Victoria named her fragrance by DPB style. B. Become is Victoria a biography. C. Become is Victoria's brand for her fragrance. D. Was spice in the title of her new album. Next, example 3. Rowan Atkinson is English comedian, actor, and writer, famous for his title roles in the British television comedies Blackadder, The Thin Blue Lion, and Mr. Bean. He has been listed as the overstar and one of the 90 funniest actor is British comedy. Atkinson is mostly well known, or Mr. Bean. Rowan Atkinson is a quick Bean man. He has fair complexion and black short hair. Some people consider it Atkinson the man with the rubber face. In fact, he has really funny face with unique smile. He is a medium height of European people. He has a pointed nose with black eyes and thick eyebrows. His moustache and sideburns are usually well shaved. Is he usually wears a men's suit with shirt, collar, trouser, and a pair of shiny shoes. Rowan Atkinson was born in Consett, County Durham of 6 January 1955. He has two elder brothers. Atkinson studied electrical engineering at Newcastle University and continued with MCC and the Queen College, Oxford. Atkinson married Sunatra Sastry in 1990. The couple has two children, Lily and Benjamin, and lives in England in the Northamptonshire with an estimated weight of 100 million. Atkinson owned many expensive cars. Question 1. The text mainly describe A. Rowan Atkinson. B. Rowan Atkinson School. C. Rowan Atkinson Film. D. Comedy Festival is England. 2. Rowan Atkinson is pretty skinny guy. The word it has the same meaning as A. Sturdy. B. Athletics. C. Skinny. D. Fat. 3. The couple whose two children, Lily and Benjamin. Paragraph 2. The word couple refer to A. Atkinson and family. B. Lily and Benjamin. C. Atkinson and his children. D. Atkinson and Sunatra Sastry. So, the reading with Siti Safarina Manaf. Or Ahmad Sahal. Okay, Ahmad Sahal. Next.
Example 4. I have a special friend. She is my classmate and sits beside me. Her name is Rohma. Rohma is a quiet girl and very simple on the look. However, I really adore her. She is not only kind but also tall. Rohma, com- Rohma comes from a very simple family. Her father is a pedicab driver, and her mother has passed away. She has a younger brother. His name is Rahmat. In order to help their father, Rahma and her brother work part-time to earn some money. Rahma sells food during our class break, while her brother sells newspaper and magazines after school. One thing that I always admire about her is that she can manage her time well, and she always looks cheerful. Question. Question number one. What does the second paragraph tell you about A. Rohma and her family? B. Rohma and her father. C. Rohma and her brother. D. Rohma and her friend. Number two, Rohma and her brother work part-time to earn some money. What do the words work part-time means? A. Work for the whole of working week. B. Work for only part of each day or week. C. Work for the purpose of getting money as as much as possible. D. Work for family. Number three, where did the writer sit? A. In front of Rohma. B. Behind Rohma. C. Next to Rohma. D. Far from Rohma. Example 5. Mr. Targo is my math teacher at school. He teaches us at class 10. He is a smart teacher. He can teach us very well. He is a strict teacher. He doesn't like his students come late a class. He will be very angry. Besides that, he doesn't like us cheating in the test. He always tell us to be honest. His student, his student must pay attention to his explanation. Besides that, Mr. Targo always does the same things every day. Entering to the classroom, he will wash his hands in the basin in the corner of the class. After that, he will walk over to his desk. Sitting in her desk, he will look at and greet us formally. Then he will put on her glass, open his textbook, and ask us what lesson we discussed the previous meeting, and then he starts teaching. He was really amazed by his habit. Question number one. What is the what is the writer's purpose to write the text? A. To show his dislike of his teacher. B. To get attention of his teacher. C. To make the reader know the character of his teacher. D. To make the readers impressed by his teacher. Number two, the writer described Mr. Targo as A. Serious man. B. Humorous man. C. Easygoing man. D. Friendly ten. Number three, the writer can tell Mr. Targo habit precisely, precisely because A. He always comes to school early. B. He admires Mr. Targo character. C. He sees Mr. Targo does the same thing every day. D. He pays attention to Mr. Targo explanation. Number four, I was really amazed by his habit. The word amazed is closest in meaning to A. Scared. B. Surprised. C. Ashamed. D. Nervous. Example 6. Today, my aunt comes to visit our house. She's my favorite aunt. Her name is Isma. My aunt is a science teacher in junior high school. Her students like her so much because she kind and friendly. She is patient too. He doesn't get angry even if her students are naughty. He is also well loved by our family members. I always wait for her visit to my house. Question number one. What is the topic of the text? A. A science teacher. B. Beautiful aunt. C. Is Mas aunt. D. Writer favorite aunt. Number two. The last The last line paragraph mostly talks about A. The writer's own in general. B. The writer owns physical description. C. The writer owns characteristic. D. The visit of writer's own. Number 3. How is the writer owns build? A. Tall and slim. B. Short and slim. C. Tall and fat. D. Short and thin. Number 4, my do ounce is my student likes her. A. Because she's kind and friendly. B. Because she's beautiful. C. Because she teaches science. D. Because she's smart and patient. Example 7. Picasso was one of the most outstanding and important artists of the 90s. He was best known for his paintings. Almost every style in modern art was represented in Picasso's works. Picasso was born in 1881 in Malaga, Spain. As the son of an art teacher, he studied painting with his father and also in Madrid from 1875 to 1901. He painted realistic works in a traditional style. Then he entered what was called by Blue Period. During this time, he only used shades of blue in his paintings to show poverty in Barcelona. After 1907, he entered the style of Cubism. Among his well-known Cubist paintings are the three musicians and the man with a guitar, which depicts the destruction of Spanish town. Picasso died in France in 1973. Question number 1. Picasso has set of blue in his paintings during the blue period because A. He is set to live in traditional Barcelona. B. Blue is to show poverty in Barcelona. C. The blue color represent the modern art of this painting. D. Blue is Picasso's favorite color in his paintings. Question 2. What is the main idea of the third paragraph? A. Picasso has sets of blue in his paintings. B. Picasso died in France in 1973. C. Picasso was taught by his father. D. Picasso was taught by his father. Question 3. Which describe the destruction of Spanish city? First 4. The word describe has the same meaning as A. Drawn. B. Described. C. Painted. D. Served. Example 8. I'm so happy to have a close friend. She is my beloved classmate, Fafa. We've known each other since we were in grade 8. We were in the same class and we still are in grade 9 until now. Fafa is a very kind and friendly girl. She is always ready to help other people. Although she comes from a rich family, she never looks down on other people. She is very sociable and has a lot of friends. She can interact easily with people from different ages. 3, 4. She is also popular among teachers and parents. Question number 1. What is the text about? A. The writer sister. B. The writer family. C. The writer mate. D. The writer best friend. Question number 2. What is the main idea of paragraph 2? A. Fafa has good character. B. Fafa comes from a rich family. C. Fafa is an 8th grader student. D. Fafa is popular among neighbors. Question 3. The underlined word in she can interact easily with people in classes in meaning to A. Reach. B. Introduce. C. Influence. D. Communicate. Example 9. Peter is the youngest in our family. He is 14 years old and 4 years younger than me. He has long, straight hair, big eyes, and friendly smile. Sometimes he is rather naughty and home, but he usually does what he is asked to do. Peter interested in sport very much, and at school he plays football and tennis. He is the best badminton player in our family. Question number 1. Peter is interested in sport very much, and at school he plays football and tennis. The phrase interested in can be replaced by A. Dislike sport. B. Really like sport. C. Hates sport very much. D. Finds sport not really entertaining. Number 2. He is 14 years old. The word he refer to A. Peter. B. The writer. C. The writer's brother. D. The writer family. Number 3. But he usually does what he is asked to do. To price usually does means A. He does anything he wants. B. He always acts. C. He is lazy. D. He is diligent. Next slide. Safarina. Siti Safarina Manaf.
Oke, adjective to describe people atau kata sifat untuk mendeskripsikan orang. Age atau umur, young, old in this or her 30, teenager in his or her mid 40s, middle aged 47. Umur itu ada muda, tua, dia perempuan laki-laki yang 30-an, remaja pertengahan 40, parubaya 47. Hair atau rambut. Long, short, bald, spiky, fair, string, dark, blonde, brown, curly, wavy. Jadi rambut ada panjang, pendek, botak, runcing, pirang, lurus, coklat, keriting, dan bergelombang. Terus ada build. Build yaitu membangun bentuk badan. Thin, skinny, slim, fat, plump, well built. Ada apa? Tipis, kurus, langsing, gemuk, montok, dan tegap. Selanjutnya lips, bibir. Ada thin, full, red, pink. Ada tipis, tebal, bibir merah, dan bibir merah muda. Face atau muka. Round, oval, squared, franked, dan long. Ada apa? Bulat telur, persegi, berbintik-bintik, dan panjang. Height atau tinggi badan. Short, tall, medium, height of average, height, dan dwarf. Ada pendek, tinggi, sedang, tinggi rata, dan kerdil. Eyes, mata. Big, small, hazel, blue, green, black, brown, dark, narrow, dan bright. Ada besar, kecil, coklat, biru, hijau, mata hitam, mata coklat, mata gelap, sipit, dan cerah.
Terus nose atau hidung. Pointed, big, small, flat, large, hooked, straight. Ada mancung, besar, kecil, pesek, hidung bengkok, dan hidung lurus. Terus skin. Tanned, pale, light, fair, dark. Ada kecoklatan, pucat, putih, terang, dan gelap. Oke, selanjutnya vocabulary karakteristik atau kosakata karakteristik. Number one, positif karakteristik. Friendly, ramah, considerate, penuh perhatian, honest, jujur, reliable, dapat dipercaya, patin, sabar, brave, berani, adaptable, dapat menyelesaikan diri, diligent, rajin, determined, tekun, helpful, suka menolong, responsible, bertanggung jawab, intelligent, cerdas, loyal, setia, polite, sopan, negatif karakteristik negatif karakteristik arogan, sombong, careless, ceroboh, selfish, egois, ngodi, suka murung, fasih, cerewet, dishonest, tidak jujur, inconsistent, tidak konsisten, jealous, iri hati atau cemburu, lazy, malas, materialistik atau materialistik, naughty, nakal, pesimistik, pesimis, quarrelsome, pesimis, taigi, pelit. Okay, now let's get into the question. Hi everyone, I am Julie. Halo kawan-kawan. Hai teman, saya Julie. Bentar ya. Hi everyone, I am Julie. Halo teman, saya Julie. I have a best friend. Saya punya teman. His name is Bahri. Namanya Bahri. We have been friends for 11 years now. Kami berteman sejak 11 tahun sampai sekarang. We know each other like brother and sister. Kami saling kenal seperti saudara dan saudari. Bahri is a special. Bahri adalah anak yang spesial. He is amazing just the way he is. Dia sangat luar biasa. Terus, he is tall and handsome. Dia tinggi dan tampan. He has strange short hair. Dia memiliki rambut pendek dan lurus. He has pointed nose. Dia memiliki hidung yang runcing. Terus slanted eyes and his smile adorable as well. Dia memiliki mata yang miring. He loves dogs. Senyumannya juga menggemaskan. Terus, he always cheer me.
He always cheers me up when I am down. He is very kind. We support and help each other. I am so grateful that he is my friend. Bagi teman-teman, kalau yang mau menjawab dipersilakan kuisnya. Atau saya tunjuk aja.
Yes, okay, good job, Sahal. And hi everyone, I am Julia. I have best friend. His name is Bahri. We have been friends. Nah, this is Bahri has hair. Nah, Anda silakan yang mau jawab. Nah, ini Anda perlu ketahui juga ya. Di mata kuliah apa ya? Text reading education ini banyaknya membuat text reading. Nanti dari text reading seperti kayak gini nih, yang Ahmad Sahal buat ini adalah merupakan bagian nanti post test. Paham ya? Yang kemarin UTS kan seperti ini, ya, reading. Nanti hampir sama dengan yang ada di TOEFL, ya. TOEFL itu kan ada 3 macam ya, structural grammar, reading, and listening. Nah ini termasuk readingnya ya. Nah, hi everyone, I am Julie. I have the best friend. His name is Bahri. We have been friends for 11 years now. We know each other like brothers and sisters. Bahri is a special boy. Yeah. He is amazing just the way he is. He is tall and handsome. He has straight, short hair. He has pointed nose. Yeah. Slanted eyes, and his smile adorable, yeah, adorable as well, yeah. He loves joke. He always clear me up when I am down. He is very kind. Nah, jenisnya dia itu sangat kind. We support and help each others. I am so grateful that he is my friend. Nah, ini multiple choice, nah reading. Jawabannya ada di reading ini. Kamu cari di teks ini. Nanti post test juga akan demikian. Nah, reading kebanyakan, reading semua. Hati-hati ada exhibit. Ya, exhibit itu kecuali. Nah, Anda harus paham di situ ya. Siapa? Ini bagus nih Ahmad Sahal memberikan kisi-kisi seperti apa ya Ahmad Sahal? Seperti nanti post test kayak gini bentuknya ya. Semuanya begini semua nanti, reading semua. Nah, dari reading itu memang akan berikan multiple choice. Jadi menyimak dari hi everyone, hi. I'm Julie, saya Julie. I have best friend. Saya mempunyai teman terbaik. Dia bernama Bahri, ya. Gitu, paham nggak? Bahri itu berumur berapa sekarang? 11, 11 tahun. Gitu loh. Kalau tahu kamu artinya, makanya kan harus perbanyak vocabnya ya. Terus we know each other like brother. Kami tahu ya, each other itu apa? Sahal. Harus tahu. Kami tahu each other, lainnya isinya apa? Ya. Each itu setiap lainnya gitu ya. Each others. Nah, jadi kan Anda tahu penambahan vocab nih. Hi everyone. Hi teman-teman. I am Julia. Ya, saya namanya Julia. I have the best friend. Saya mempunyai teman baik. His name. Kenapa his? Karena dia laki-laki, namanya Bahri. Kalau perempuan menggunakan apa?
Si.
Bukan. Kalau sini kan laki-laki, his. Kalau perempuan apa?
Her.
Her, gitu. Her name is Fatima, gitu. Misalkan ya. Nah, saya kan mau belajar dari kecil-kecil dulu dah, ya. Kenapa menggunakan his? Ya karena is Bahri, laki-laki. Bagaimana kalau Fatima? Ya bukan menggunakan his lagi, tapi menggunakan her. Bagus. Oke. We have been friends. Kami mempunyai banyak teman, ya. Di sini. Banyak temannya apa? For 11 years now. Ya, untuk 11 tahun sekarang ini. Maksudnya apa itu?
Sudah berteman
Sudah bertemannya 11 tahun. Lama juga ya. Ya, saya pikir umurnya 11 tahun. Baru ngeh kan saya setelah diartikan satu persatu. Soalnya memang itu biasa baca bahasa Inggris kayak koran. Awal, tengah, akhir gitu. Kayak baca Kompas gitu ya. Oke, jadi sudah bertemannya 11 tahun sekedar sekarang ya. We know each. Kami tahu. Kami tahu each other. Setiap yang lainnya menyukai brother dan sister. Saudara laki-laki dan saudara perempuan. Bahri is spesial. Nah, Bahri ini adalah laki-laki yang spesial. Kayak kamu teman dekat gitu ya. He is amazing. Beliau sangat apa? Sangat amazing. Amazing itu apa?
Luar biasa.
Luar biasa. Bagus. Just the way he is. Luar biasa dalam apa? Just the way.
Perjalanan hidup.
Perjalanannya ya. Just the way. Dia sangat luar biasa dalam perjalanannya. He is tall and handsome. Dia laki-laki. Siapa dia laki-laki? Itu Bahri ya, kalau artiin. Tall and handsome. Dia Bahrinya tadi mengatakan tall. Ya. Kayak apa? Ada yang tahu nggak? Handsome apa?
Ganteng.
Ganteng dan tinggi. Itu tinggi. Nah, dapat deh vocab baru. Gitu, paham nggak? Nah, itu cara belajar bahasa Inggris. Nah, nggak usah readingnya banyak-banyak. Readingnya segini aja pinter tuh. Saya Bahri ya. Oke, ada 4 line, 4 baris ya. Dia laki-laki itu tinggi dan ganteng ya. Tell itu tinggi, ingat tell ya, tinggi. He has strange. Apa strange?
Lurus.
Kurus. Short hair. Maksudnya apa?
Rambut pendek.
Rambut pendek,
Lurus.
lurus. Berarti ada vocab baru. Strange. Short hair. Ya oke. Rambutnya pendek, lurus. Oh, ini berarti laki-laki, bukan ikel ya, bukan keriting ya. Oke. He has pointed nose. Apa maksudnya? Dia memiliki pointed nose. Nose itu apa? Hidung. Ya, memiliki hidung.
Mancung.
Slanted eyes. Mata yang
sipit.
sipit. Slanted itu sipit ya. Oke. Anda harus tahu di situ. Ya, jadi noise pointed itu hidung yang lancip. Pointed itu lancip. Nose itu nose. Nih hidung. Ya. Hidung yang lancip, pointed nose. And slanted eyes, mata yang sipit. And his smile, adorable. Apa itu adorable?
Menggemaskan.
Apa?
Menggemaskan.
Menggemaskan. Siapa yang menggemaskan?
Senyumannya.
Senyumannya. Smile, bener. Aduh, tertarik. aduh. Oke, ya. Menggemaskan, ya. Menggemaskannya apa bahasa Inggrisnya? Adorable, ya. Adorable, itu menggemaskan. Jadi senyumannya yang menggemaskan. Well, like he loves jokes. Apa dia mencintai?
Canda.
Iya. Oke. Kemudian he always cheer me up. Apa itu? Dia selalu apa?
Motivate.
Ya, cheer me up. Cheer me up itu apa?
Mendukung.
Ya, bisa juga.
Mendukung.
Apa?
Menyemangati.
Menyemangati. Masih semangat ya. Oke. Bentar ya, Nak. Ya. Jadi menghibur, menyemangati gitu sama aja ya, cheer me up. Nah, when, kapan? I'm done. Saat, ketika, atau kapan saya lagi down, lagi keadaan down, tahu nggak? Tidak bagus keadaannya. Nah, he is very kind. Apa maksudnya? He is very kind.
Ya, sangat baik.
Dia sangat baik ya. We support, memberi support ya. And help, dan menolong each other. Menolong setiap lainnya. I'm so grateful. Apa itu artinya?
Aku bersyukur.
Aku bersyukur that he is my friend. Itu dia adalah teman saya. I'm so grateful. Aku bersyukur. Ya, nah, sekarang Bahri has bla 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 hair. Nah, di sini mana hair? Berarti jawabannya apa?
C.
Ya. Jawabannya apa? B, C, D, E. Ayo. Jadi jawabannya apa?
C.
Jawabannya C, straight short. Ya, jadi rambut pendek yang lurus. Bagus tuh. Setelah Anda mengartikan, jadi langsung bisa menjawab kan? Nah, nanti post test tuh kayak gini, nah. Ya, menyimak dulu ini ya readingnya baru. Oke, does he have round eyes? Matanya apa?
No, he doesn't.
No, he doesn't. Kenapa enggak apa ya? He doesn't. Kenapa? Karena di sini no, maka di sini doesn't. Paham nggak? Kalau yes he does, kalau no he doesn't. Karena no, maka harus he doesn't. Ya, paham? Number 3, coba. Why? Kenapa? Does we write so grateful? That's Bahri is pride. Kenapa sih? Banyak nyamuk ya. Grateful. Nih, di baris yang terakhir nih. Is my friend. Kenapa? Because Very.
Because Bahri is very kind.
Very kindness.
Because
Eh.
Bahri is very kind.
Kindness.
Ini kan ada di sini. Ada naughty, ada lazy, ada impolite. Jadi jawabannya apa?
Eh.
Because Bahri is
Very
Very
kind.
kind.
very kind. Oke, good. Next, ada lagi? Hanya 3 saja. Nah, kuis yang kedua, kan? Nah, ini enak nih kalau kayak gini membahas kayak gini ya. Nanti posnya seperti ini. Oke, sekarang kita artikan. Kita belajar vocab, nah, memperbanyak vocab itu betul jago nanti. Ya Allah, siang-siang banyak nyamuk padahal udah semprot. Oke, my name is Noval Ferdinand. Nama saya Noval Ferdinand. I am Indonesia. Saya dari Indonesia. I was born. Saya berumur berapa nih? Ulang tahun saya 21 April 2009. Lahir di Surabaya. Sekarang umur saya berapa nih? 12 tahun. Saya sekolah di SMP Putra Bangsa, betul nggak? Saya memiliki apa tadi?
Tinggi.
Saya memiliki tinggi dan
Langsing.
Badan yang ramping.
langsing. Jadi tahu kan ya? Oke, my hair is black. Rambut saya hitam. Pendek. Terus
Pendek dan bergelombang.
Pendek
curly
dan
apa? Bergelombang.
pink.
Keliling gelombang gitu ya. Dan saya mempunyai apa? Pointed apa tadi?
Hidung yang mancung.
Hidung yang mancung, betul. Lancip maksudnya nih, mancung, lancip, ya. Oke. Slanted eyes dan mata yang sipit, ya. Dan kulit yang white apa? Ya, white and black, hitam dan putih ya. Jadi dia memiliki white, kulit yang putih. Skin itu kulit. Nah, my face is oval, mukanya oval. With dengan shape chin, pipi
yang tajam.
pipi shape apa? Tadi apa?
Dengan dagu yang tajam.
Iya, dagu. Iya, ingatnya.
Chin, dagu.
Ingat, iya dagu chin. Chin itu dagu. Ingatnya pipi. Chin kalau itu ya. Oke, dagu yang panjang. Oke, siap. Chin. Oke, pertanyaannya. Yo, baca. Chin sharp, dagu yang tajam, dagunya tajam, lancip gitu loh, nggak bulat gitu. The writer was born. Di sini ada was born. Nih, berarti apa jawabannya? April 2009. Berarti C. Oke. The writer has body. Punya body yang apa tadi?
Tall and slim.
And slim. Bener nggak? Oh iya. Wabah. Astagfirullahaladzim. Oke, good job. Ada lagi? Sahal? Enough, quiznya. Nanti post-test akan seperti ini, ya. Ya, jadi sering baca-baca reading TOEFL. Nanti saya ngambilnya dari TOEFL soal post-testnya. Ya, jadi kamu beli buku. Nih, saya punya. Sebentar ya, saya kasih contoh. Sebentar, saya ambilin. Nanti kalian boleh beli di Gramedia. Saya ngambil dari situ nanti buku soal-soal post-testnya. Sebentar, saya ambilin. Nih saya sudah ambil. Lihat gak? Nih. Kelihatan nggak? Nah, TOEFL 600 plus. Tahu? Udah kelihatan?
Kelihatan, Mem.
Ya, ini boleh screenshot, silakan. Screenshot. 1,
1, 2, 3.
ya, oke. Sudah? Dan?
Dan.
Sudah?
Sudah, Mem.
Oke, nah kalian silakan. Itu saya beli 200.000. Nanti kamu jago TOEFL-nya. Sekarang aja calon CPNS harus memiliki TOEFL. Nah, TOEFL kalau kita dites di UI itu lagi murah sekarang, nah, sampai Desember ini. Silakan Anda ikut TOEFL. Biayanya murah sekali, 150.000. Tesnya 2 jam. Memima kemarin ikut bulan 10, nilainya anjlok ya, masih di bawah 500. Penasaran Mem Rohimah, ikut lagi bulan 11 November. Jadi dari Oktober ikut, nilainya hancur, terus November ikut lagi tanggal 11. Nah, itu alhamdulillah di atas 500. Wah, soalnya ribet. Itu reading semua, Nak. Itu UI loh, ya. Namanya UIS, Lembaga Bahasa UIS, UI ya. Yang memiliki lembaganya UI. Jadi jangan ikutnya di BBC, di IF, atau di short course, atau di LIA, nggak berlaku itu tuh, ya. Nah, itu yang berlaku itu lembaga-lembaga resmi yang recommended dari Ristekdikti harus Unpad ya. Nah, kemudian UI, UGM, UNJ, nah itu resmi. Jangan sampai kalian ikut hanya di tempat-tempat kursus yang bisa ditembak. Jangan. Memang UI murah. Kalau UMM itu tes TOEFL itu reading text-nya 50 soal itu. Ya, bayarannya kena 600.000. Tes online itu ya, tes online itu 600.000, waktunya 2 jam. Dan itu ketat sekali, saya ikut online di UI itu. Suruh kameranya, handphonenya, menggunakan handphone dan menggunakan ini, laptop. Jadi laptopnya diputerin di ruangan kita, handphonenya juga diputerin. Jadi kita ngerjain boro-boro, kita Google Translate. Nggak bisa, sulit. Nah, ini termasuk reading-readingnya ini. Nah, ini kan Ahmad Sahal membuat readingnya hanya 3 lines, 4 lines ya. Kalau di TOEFL itu readingnya banyak sampai 15 ya, sampai 3 paragraf gitu. Yang saya kemarin kirim itu ya. Nah, di sini ada berapa paragraf reading tuh? Ada bahkan 25 lines ya. Untuk readingnya aja. Ini kan Ahmad Sahal simple yang sedikit aja dibikin 1 paragraf, 3 lines, 4 lines ya. Nanti untuk berikutnya next boleh kalian kalau nggak punya duit beli 200.000 ya Anda difoto aja. Bisa kan difoto atau nggak difoto? Yang readingnya aja, bukan struktur grammarnya. Ada listening, ada soal listening, dapat CD-nya, ada soal struktur grammar, ada soal reading. Nah, ya kita pakainya itu readingnya untuk persiapan kalian, ya. Jadi boleh kalian ngumpet aja di belakang, terus Anda foto. Kalau ketahuan pegawai Gramedia dibentak, soalnya pengalaman. Pengalaman belum gajian, belum punya duit, saya foto aja. Untung kameranya bagus nih, kalau kameranya jelek kan buremnya. Udah deh, saya bawa handphone iPhone, langsung saya scrap, tajam. Udah pernah ketahuan, "Hei Mbak, ngapain?" "Oh enggak, saya lagi moto buku ini, pengarangnya siapa?" Alasan berbohong untuk kebaikan, karena tahu belum punya uang karena harganya mahal. Ya udah, saya foto aja. Untuk buat apa? Untuk membuat soal gitu. Akhirnya begitu sudah gajian langsung beli gitu ya. Nggak apa-apa karena mendesak, waktu itu mau UTS ya. Terus mem belum ada persiapan, nah itu caranya. Terus juga waktu magister di UNJ juga sama itu. Mem kan harus mencari kajian teori itu di bab 2 tuh. Nah udah itu, kalau beli bukunya kan mahal, ada yang 300, ada yang 200, ya paling murah itu 175 gitu. Wah mahal banget, wah saya foto-fotoin aja nih kajian teorinya. Nah itu ya, nanti dari foto itu di print sama UNJ diminta kamu buku, jadi cover bukunya di foto, terus judul pengarangnya siapa, tahun berapa, itu difoto semua. Caranya gitu, kita ngumpet di pojok jauh dari pegawai Gramedia. Pengalamannya memang begitu ya, nyusun disertasi, nyusun tesis dulu ya. Jadi kamu juga boleh, silakan ya. Nah, Mem kan ngambil postesnya dari TOEFL yang tadi di screenshot. Saya moto-moto aja readingnya. Ya silakan. Nanti kamu belajar dari situ. Jadi saudara tidak perlu beli buku mahal 200.000. Kalau enggak patungan sama teman-teman. Oke? Thank you ya. Itu saja yang Mem sampaikan. Time is over. Oke. Sebelum Mem tutup, ada yang mau ditanyakan. Silakan. Maybe question. Lucu ya pengalaman, experiences-nya Mem Rohimah tuh begitu. Strateginya supaya kita dapat ilmu tapi dengan cara gratis, nggak mengeluarkan uang gitu ya. Kan gudangnya buku di Gramedia itu gudangnya ilmu ya. Ilmu adalah jendela dunia. Nah itu, oke. Maybe question? Enough, oke. Karena diam semua ya sudah, kita anggap udah pada pinter semua. Oke, guys, thank you for your attention. Say together, alhamdulillahirobbilalamin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Ya,
Terima kasih.
baik ya. Mem live dulu ya. Terima kasih, selamat siang. See you.